Hey, this is Mike Zapart with Compass, and I want to welcome you to our show, How is Real Estate Market in Arlington Heights, December 2021 edition. Hey, so let's start with what's most important, sold prices, right? Everybody is always talking about the price. So I have some good news. The prices actually slid down from second month in a row. The average price in November of 2021 came in at $383,126. So this price is lower than a $403,000 number we saw in October and lower than the $420,000 number that we saw in September. So the current reduction represents about 9.1% or about $35,000 less. So this is great news for buyers that are looking for lower price homes. The best time to buy, it's usually in November, December, and January. This slide is closely correlated to our market seasonality trends that we've been talking for about a few years. If you're looking for homes, the next 60 days might be a great time for you to secure a home at the lower price. So the second statistic that we track is our average asking price. So in November 2021, average asking price came in at $389,000. So this is a little bit lower again. We see the asking price going down. The average asking price to sold price ratio is also going down. We saw the reduction to 98.34%. So the discount of about 1.64% from a 100% number that we saw 4 months ago in July. So in our typical situation, on average $380,000 home, the buyers were able to negotiate about $6,400. So the next statistic we're going to talk about is inventory of homes. You probably heard the inventory is very, very low right now. So when I checked the numbers for November 2021, the inventory of homes came in at 1.5 months. Our stable market is at 6 months of inventory. Last month, there was 159 single-family homes that found a new buyer. At the same time, we only had about 140 new listings that came into the market. So this is a very low number. It's hard to find new homes. The inventory is very low, and it's impacting our buyer side transactions. So let's talk about buyer demand. Last month we saw 3,541 showings registered in our area. So that's about 1,200 less than the month of October and about 100 less than in November of 2020. We still see a lot of buyer demand. People are searching online, reaching out to us for available deals. But we also see this number being severely impacted by the number of available homes on the market. This is closely tied to our market seasonality, and we've been talking about that for the last few years. We're going to see the showing numbers increase again in the spring when we're going to see some new homes being listed for sale. So the next statistics I want to talk about are days on the market. We actually saw a small increase in days on the market. It went from 40 to 52 days. So it means that buyers are taking more time to evaluate the property before they put an offer. The homes are not selling as quickly as they were in the summertime. This is again tied to our market seasonality, the weather changing, getting colder, getting darker outside. But this is a trend that you want to follow. If you're a home seller, it might take a little bit longer to sell your home right now. The last number we're going to talk about is interest rates. We saw the interest rates go higher. Right now, the average 30-year mortgage came in at about 3.1%. And all the market experts are predicting this number going higher next year because the government is going to stop bond buying programs. So if you're thinking about buying a home, this is a trend that you might want to be careful of. All the predictions are showing the interest rates in the first quarter of next year are going to be about 3.1 to 3.2% and increasing by the end of the year. In the fourth quarter, they're going to be about 3.75%. So what does it mean to you as a buyer, right? So if you're buying an average $380,000 home and you're putting 10% down and you go from 3% rate to 3.75% rate, you're going to be paying about $142 more each single month, right? So this is a trend that we're definitely going to take a look and we're going to keep attention to it. There might be some buyers next year because of the rising interest rates, they're not going to be able to afford the home that they really like. Hey, I appreciate you watching our show, How is the Real Estate Market? I want to wish you wonderful holidays with your whole family. From our family to yours, Happy holidays. If you have any questions about home buying or home selling, reach out. I'm here to help. Talk to you soon.